This right here is a powerful, flexible, rechargeable work LED light. It has a long battery life. You can mount it in 4 different ways. It's dimmable, and you can charge it via USB. Again, this is a rechargeable LED work light or a magnetic floodlight. It can be used for a bunch of different things, and it can be used in several different ways. So first off, the light is very bright. Here it is in my studio with the lights turned off. Then I turn the work light on, and you can see how bright this thing gets and the spread of the light. This light is also dimmable if you don't need it that bright. And it's very easy to use. Charge it up, turn it on, and you're good to go. There's a single button on top. That is your on-off button. Hold the button down to turn down and turn up the brightness. There's also a red flash mode for emergencies. This light is completely wireless, so you can take it wherever you need to go, and you can mount it in a whole bunch of different ways. So number one, this light has a yoke with a full 180-degree rotation, which allows you to prop this light up on the floor at basically any angle you need. Just set the yoke, tighten the thumb screws, and you're good to go. There's also a hook on top if you would rather hang the light. So you could hang it on something, adjust the yoke, set it, and you're good to go. There are also magnets on the back of the light. So right here, I have a big metal door. If I wanted to just stick this to something magnetic, I can do that. Put it up, let it go, and it's good to go. And last but not least, there's a 1/4-inch socket on the bottom. So you can attach this to your normal camera tripod or anything with a 1/4-20 bolt. I put it on my tripod right here. That allows me to take the light anywhere, adjust the angle however I want. It's flexible, it's stable. Throw the light on the tripod, and you're good to go. So overall, it's a very bright work light. It's very flexible. You can mount it in several different ways, and it's completely wireless, so it's very convenient to just take with you wherever you're going. So if you're in the market for a wireless rechargeable work light with a ton of flexibility and ready for whatever you want to throw at it, maybe this is for you.